If you're looking for the best shampoos for colored hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Olaplex No 4-Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Olaplex is a mainstay in the hair coloring world. There's both a reparative and salon treatment that many colorists use while coloring, as well as a beloved at-home version, the shampoo. A go-to for Variety senior editor Hallie Good offers similar benefits, working to rebuild the hair bonds that are broken during the color process so that strands stay ultra-strong and healthy. And while it is sulfate-free essential criteria for any type of color-safe shampoo, it still foams up nicely and rinses completely cleanly. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. Former Variety editorial director Feizu recommends this pick, which is free of not only sulfates, but also oils, silicones, and parabens, as to name a few. It leaves behind not even a trace of residue, so you're never left with any buildup, works on all hair types, and is keratin and extension safe, too. The number 3 position is held by Elorol Paris EverStrong Thickening Shampoo. For those who color their hair but are also constantly trying to bulk up fine strands, this pick is choice. Sulfate-free, it cleanses beautifully, and yes, foams up great, while the formula also helps to boost volume. The minty rosemary scent is fresh and invigorating, great for sleepy mornings, and we'd be remiss not to mention the affordable price, too. Next at number 4, we have our Plusco Gemstone Color Shampoo. To keep your shade vibrant and your mane nice and moisturized, reach for this sudsir. It boasts a litany of good for your hair ingredients, namely antioxidant-rich lychee extract, okra seed extract, vitamin E, and sunflower seed extract, and will help to add shine and fight frizz, all while conditioning and moisturizing your color-treated locks. We've seen a noticeable difference after only one wash, just saying. The number 5 position is held by Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino Plus Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. Co-washes, Amika conditioning washes, have long been lauded for thick and curly textures since the formulas are naturally more moisturizing, and they're also a good option for colored hair since they're not as stripping. This gentle, sulfate-free formula from Briogeo was developed with waves, curls, and cold textures in mind, fortified with hair-loving ingredients like rice amino acids, tomato fruit ferment, shea butter, and avocado oil. The hair is left nourished and hydrated, and the natural curl pattern is more defined. The number 6 position is dominated by Ouai Thick Hair Shampoo. Formulated with thicker hair textures in mind, the shampoo from Ouai is rich in hydrating ingredients like marshmallow root extract, shea butter, and avocado oil. The ultra-nourishing formula works to detangle and boost shine while keeping frizz at bay. Plus, it's sulfate-free, meaning it's safe for color-treated hair to boot. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Girl+hair Cleanse Plus Water to Foam Moisturizing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Natural hair requires a whole different kind of washing and styling protocol, so for colored, kinky, coiled hair, reach for this mega gentle cleanser. It starts as water, turns into a rich foam, and leaves curls, which, FYI, are innately drier than straight strands with plenty of moisture. In short, it doesn't strip natural oils, nor color. There's also shea butter and tea tree oil in the mix, and it'll help nourish both your locks and your scalp. The number 8 position is held by Living Proof Restore Shampoo. The proprietary ingredient this brand relies on, a patented healthy hair molecule, was created by MIT scientists, so you know it's going to be legit. The formula aims to restore dry and damaged hair cuticles right away while helping to ward off future damage. Yes, please. Not to mention that it also repels dirt and also that you can stretch out washes further. Always a boon when you have colored hair. Next at number 9 we have Amika Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. Blondes may have more fun, but they are also more susceptible to dealing with all kinds of color fading and changes, namely unwanted brassy tones that can make cooler blonde shades appear dingy. Enter this option, a violet-based shampoo that works to instantly counteract those orange and brassy undertones and leaves any cool blonde shade refreshed and revived. It's a great choice for those with gray hair, too. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Oribe Gold-Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. Color-treated hair is prone to damage, which is where this Luxe sulfate-free pick comes in. Gentle and reparative, this rejuvenating shampoo helps combat dryness, split ends, and breakage, and even addresses a dry and flaky scalp. It's splurgy, yes, but the brand's Bio-Restorative Complex and Signature Complex packed with ingredients like biotin, plant collagen, and niacinamide make it well worth the investment. Plus, it smells incredible, thanks to bergamot, jasmine, and sandalwood. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.